Next, let's take a look at the pilot valve and solenoid assembly. To access the pilot valve and solenoid, just pull up on the wires and you bring it to the top. Puts it in a clean environment so you don't have to worry about any dirt and so forth that have gotten inside the flange compartment. The solenoid assembly is completely serviceable as well. The seat seal can be removed in case it's damaged and replaced, or the plunger assembly can be removed to flush out any contaminants that might be within. The pilot valve assembly is unique in that it houses several key features. First of all, there's a stainless steel seat, helps prevent weeping in the rotor, very, very important. Also, on the other end is a filtration system. This gives us our second stage of filtration, the first one being on the inlet valve, second being inside the pilot valve. Helps protect the rotor from contamination. Finally, within the pilot valve is also a freeze suppression unit. This is a patented technology only available with Hunter TTS rotors. From the factory, the TTS rotors have the solenoid leads protruding from the bottom of the rotor in the traditional fashion. One of the unique features about the TTS rotor is the ability to actually take the field controller wiring and then run them up inside the flange compartment. This way you can make your original solenoid connections at the surface level and store them within the flange compartment. If you need to replace the solenoid later on, you really don't have to dig down there to get to it. Reassembly is easy. First we're going to take the solenoid, put it back into the pilot valve assembly, just like that. Next we're going to stuff the connections back inside. Okay, now press the pilot valve assembly back into position, just like that. Going to fold the wires over the top onto the flat of the solenoid and bring those to the inside as well. Put our selector cap back into position. Drop the pressure regulator in. And we're ready to seal it up.